right, guys, so we're back. We got a couple of batteries here. We're gonna try to get all this stuff hooked up and see what happens. Hopefully we'll get everything done pretty easily here. Get this thing all hooked up, and I'll be right back. Hopefully the neighbor's dogs will quiet down a little bit. Okay, so this is just the negative link wire. Okay, make sure everything's good and snug. This is so that we can use both batteries if we need to. Okay, and then we have to connect these two wires, go on the back side to the common on the switch. Alright, so these are all hooked up. I'm going to be taking everything back out. I have to, I'm waiting for these ends to come in. They're not locally available, so I didn't order enough ends. And I'm going to scrape all this paint off and vacuum all this out real good and get it all cleaned out and repainted, so before I put everything back together. So this is literally just for test start purposes, is the reason I'm putting this together right now. So anyhow, I'm going to move the camera down low and we're going to try to get this thing fired up and see if it'll start. Alright guys, so this is what I love about this boat. This thing has been sitting here for over a year without being started, and it fired right up. I do run ethanol free fuel in everything that I own aside from my wife's car, but this is great. I mean, seriously, I'm so happy about this right now. Purring like a kitten. Like a solid 40 pounds of oil pressure, which is its common amount that it would have. So everything's looking pretty good with it. I'm try to climb up here and show you guys what we got going on. So this is the oil pressure. It's right on 40. We're gonna wait for the temperature to come up, and of course the trim tilt level. It's got half a tank of fuel that's over a year old. I'm gonna probably end up pumping that out of it. So anyhow, and the alternator's charging well. The throttle's pretty responsive for no load, so all right. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this one. The battery cables obviously work, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment if you see anything or you just have a comment to make. Feel free, positive, negative, doesn't matter. I don't get offended. I do definitely take constructive criticism very well. I'm not a professional, I'm just winging it. So all right guys, have a great day.